Thank you for stopping by. I welcome you, and as you can see by the title, you know that it's a discussion. Okay, so first up, before I even start this video, I am going to give all of you who are new the chance to go and subscribe. So I'm going to give you 10 seconds and you go and subscribe to my channel right now, and you share to at least one of your friends. Okay. Okay, I think I gave you guys 20 seconds, but I hope you are finished. Now let's get into my video. First off, I want to thank It's Peng TV again once more for helping me gain 100 subscribers. Now I want to big up Sparta the gamer because you always comment under my videos and I really appreciate that. That shows that you are very active and you are a good supporter. So more big you up, blessed up. Also, I want to big up my two cousins, A Cup of Tea and Monet's _ Arts Fit. Yes, so these two are my cousins. You guys go by their channel and support them. Go and subscribe to their channel because we on a mission, right? And in the future you will see all of us together. When we have a family get together, we will, we're gonna come up with a banger. Okay, so this video is not gonna be long. Why? Because I'm gonna post tomorrow, which is Saturday. I'm gonna post, and guys, I got something for you, something really nice. So today's video is more of an encouraging video. It is not a video of me doing anything but just talking. It's not gonna be long, it's gonna be very brief. I'm just telling you guys, make sure you know your worth. It is important that you know your worth, know what you stand for, and know what limit you are going to go. When you do that, you can never let anyone take advantage of you. And if you decide to do something for yourself, something good, something that you feel that will benefit you, just sit down and just think about it, because most of the times we are too quick to rush to do something and you know that you can't do it and you don't know how to do it. You just rush and you do it, and then that's where the challenges come, because some of the times we get ourselves into some things that we are not familiar with and we end up losing ourselves. So therefore I'm telling you guys, just make sure that whatever you're doing, you sit and think about it. If you're not sure about what you want to do with your life, you better be sure now. Especially if you are over the age of 16 years old, know what you're going to do for your future. No, don't let anyone or anything stop you from doing what you want. It is important that you do what you like and not what others want you to do. Some of the times we believe that we know what we want because you see something and you're like, yes, that is nice and so forth, and you're interested in whatever it is at the moment, but you're not really sure about what you really want. When you are going to do something, you don't just rush and go and do it, because our minds is a powerful thing. It leads us to places where we feel like, say, we're there And then when you look at it, we're not even halfway there. But if you have a big mind, then you can accomplish whatever. But you have to put in the work. Don't just sit down and think, say, yeah, I want a car, I want a house, and I want this, and you're not doing what you should do to get one. Remember, we have one chance of life. We have one chance of making it. We can be here today and gone tomorrow. Therefore, whatever you put yourself in, whatever you do, make sure that you're doing what you want. And not only that, make sure you guys put God first. You pray about every single thing you do. Don't just jump into something, because we are humans, right? And we don't know what is going to happen. We make these decisions. We do these things not knowing the consequences. We don't know what will happen if I do this. Think before you do something. So that is just my speech for today. As I said before, it's not going to be long, because I'm going to have a video tomorrow, and I'm going to post it around 4 o'clock tomorrow. So that's Saturday, January 16th, 2021. So make sure you turn on your alarm so that you can be alerted. Turn on your alarm, not only the post notification bell, because some of the times we don't really have our phones with us, or maybe we're busy or so forth. But the alarm now, when it hear the alarm, you're going to say, what time is it? Dekiboo time. What time it is? Dekiboo time. You know that? Yeah. So thank you all for watching this video, and I am excited for what I'm going to come with tomorrow. So stay tuned to my channel, and as a cup of tea would have said, tell a sister, your auntie, your brother, your cousin, yes, tell them to come over to my channel and like, comment, and subscribe. And tell them to share, tell everybody to share. So you share, and make them share, and then friends share, and then sister, and uncle, brother, and cousin share, so that me can get the likes and the comments and the subscription that I need. Yes, so peace. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.